Have you ever looked in the mirror and struggled to truly accept the person looking back at you? Many of us carry inner criticism, doubt, and unhealed wounds that show up every time we face ourselves. In this video, we'll explore how to do mirror work for self-acceptance and guide you through a simple practice you can start today. What is mirror work? Mirror work is the practice of standing in front of a mirror, making eye contact with yourself, and speaking affirmations or truths out loud. It was popularized by Louise Hay, who believed that looking into your own eyes allows you to access the deepest parts of your subconscious mind. Why does it work? Because when you face yourself directly, you can't hide. The mirror becomes a gateway to healing, honesty, and love. Why mirror work helps with self-acceptance? Self-acceptance means embracing all of who you are, the light and the shadow, your strengths and your flaws. Most of us reject parts of ourselves because of criticism we've heard growing up, societal expectations, or comparison to others. Mirror work helps you break this cycle by building a direct, loving relationship with yourself. It rewires negative thought patterns, calms your inner critic, and strengthens your sense of worth. How to do mirror work. Step by step. 1. Find a quiet space. Stand in front of a mirror where you won't be interrupted. 2. Look into your own eyes. This may feel uncomfortable at first. Stay with it. 3. Breathe deeply. Take a few calming breaths and relax your shoulders. 4. Speak affirmations. Say phrases like, I accept myself exactly as I am. I am worthy of love and respect. I forgive myself for past mistakes. 5. Notice your feelings. Do you feel resistance, tears, or relief? Don't push these away. Acknowledge them. Common challenges and how to overcome them. At first, you might feel silly, uncomfortable, or even emotional. That's normal. You may hear your inner critic saying things like, this isn't true, or you don't deserve this. Recognize that as old conditioning, not reality. The more consistent you are, the more natural self-love will become. Deeper healing with mirror work. As you continue, you can use mirror work to heal deeper wounds. For example, talk to your inner child by saying, I love you. You are safe now. Release shame by saying, I forgive myself and I set myself free. Strengthen confidence by declaring, I believe in myself. Mirror work is simple, but deeply transformative. By practicing daily, you reprogram your mind and heart to accept yourself fully. Remember, self-acceptance is not about being perfect. It's about loving who you are right now, in this moment. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs self-love, and subscribe for more healing practices. And let me know in the comments, what affirmation will you say to yourself in the mirror today?